wonder why the Vice President has not addressed this issue all these years. Parang 2 taon na ito, no?
You see, it's basically whatever is coming out now from the testimony of Acosta and Ortonio is that parang walang sense of accountability talaga yung opisina nila eh. Parang sabi ko, kung ganyan ka, ayoko sabihin, ganyan kapalpak. Sabagay
Wala
hindi naman
naman,
ako,
the
hindi
ruling
naman,
doesn't apply to you.
of course, diba? So, we can, kung ganyan kapalpak ang pagmamanage siya ng finances ng isang opisina, paano pa
Uh-huh.
kaya siya ng presidente?
Mhm.
'Di ba?
Mhm.
Talagang yung document keeping, yung
Mhm.
pagsunod sa provision ng
Mhm.
joint memorandum, parang hindi sineryoso, eh, parang
Mhm.
nakakabahala
Yung
na for
mga
a woman.
copy-paste nung mga explanation parang
Exactly. Yung parang sabi ko, "My God, yung project staff ko sa project ko, eh, mas magaling pang gumawa ng cash advance i-li-liquidate kaysa
hmm,
sa
mhm.
staff ng Vice President."